To set up contactless payments on Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, first of all, you will need to open the settings on your phone. Next step is to enter connections right here, and then you can go for NFC and contactless payments. Now, this setting is important. You will need to have it enabled each time you will try to pay. I would recommend to just leave it enabled all the time. It doesn't drain any battery. And if you set up your wallet properly, nobody will be able to steal from you. So if you have this active, you can go to default wallet app. In this case, we're going to choose Google Wallet, but you can go for any wallet that you like. If you have Revolt, then go for Revolt. If you want to use Samsung Wallet, then of course you can go with that as well. Now, when we have our app selected, we need to go to this specific app that we've chose. So if you have Google Wallet, then open Google Wallet app. If you chose Samsung Wallet, go for Samsung Wallet instead. We're gonna open Wallet app. Then it will sync with our account, and we can click on the plus button and add our payment card. After a moment of waiting, we'll be able to either scan our card with this image right here. It opens your camera, so you can just lift your phone and scan your card, or you can enter your details manually. After entering details and adding your card, your setup is basically done. You can pay with your phone. You can always enter other NFC services and then enable or disable options if you don't want to use them. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.